We're going on an adventure. I hope everything will be okay.
Look, Max. So many trees and something big ahead.
Wow, it's even bigger than last time.
Prepare for the best day ever. We're here. Let's go fast.
Look, Max. Swings, slides, everything is amazing.
That blue water, it looks too deep.
Wow, the water is shining like magic.
No, it's too deep. I don't want to go there.
Come on, Max. I'm with you. Nothing will happen. No, Luna. Please stop. I'm really scared. No, I can't do this. It's too scary. Max, wait. Don't be afraid. I'm here.
Hey, champ. It's okay. You're safe here.
I feel really scared.
Slowly breathe in and gently breathe out, but you're doing great.
Okay. I'm trying. It feels a little better.
Just one small step. I'm right here with you.
Okay, but don't let go.
Good job, see? You're safe with me.
Okay. I'm still scared, but I'll try.
That's it. Slow and steady. You're in control.
It's still cold, but I'm okay.
You did it. Both feet in. I'm right here.
I'm inside, and I didn't run away. Hey!
It makes funny splashes.
See? I told you, it's fun, not scary. Let's play splash game, Max. Okay. I'm not scared now. This is fun. Hey, it makes funny splashes.
See? I told you, it's fun, not scary.
Come a little more. It's still safe.
Okay, I'll try, but stay close. I slipped.
It's okay. You're steady, see? You didn't fall.
Hey, I didn't fall this time. See? You're becoming brave now. I'm doing it alone.
Yes, Max. You're so brave now.
Look, Luna, I can splash so much. Yay! Now you love the water.
Whoa! It splashed everywhere! Let's jump again! This is so
Fun! Look at Max. He's not scared anymore.
He did it. He became so brave today.
Whoa! That was a big splash. See? Even big splashes are fun.
That was actually fun. I told you, water is awesome. I can run in water too. Look at me. Wait for me. This is so much fun.
Let's race to that side, Luna. You can't beat me.
I'm faster!
I'm winning.
I'm faster now!
No way!
I'm catching you!
I win! I reached first.
Hey! I almost had it. That was close. Again. This time I'll win for sure. Try your best. I'm ready.
This time I'm super fast.
Let's see who wins now.
Whoa! Where did that come from? Careful! Don't trip, keep going. I'm not stopping now, I'm winning.
Hey! You got faster! I did it! I won this time! Wow, Max, you were amazing.
We're so proud of both of you.
Today was a big win for you, Max.
I'm so proud of you, Max. Thanks, Luna. You helped me. Splash time, everyone!
Family water fight.
I was scared, but I didn't give up. That's what makes you truly brave.